Hi guys, welcome to another day, another vlog. So today we're gonna share with you how much we pay for our driveway because we fix it. Ayun, inayos yung ating driveway dahil kukak. Ayan sila. Alas 7 sila nag-umpisa kanina. Maaga sila nag-umpisa para maaga matapos. Yan, sira ay ang ating driveway. We cannot go there in 3 days daw, sabi. So yan, ang bilis nila matapos. Ating driveway. Sebe, what are they doing?
I'm with you.
No, what are they doing outside?
I'm watching construction worker.
Wait, who? Who are you watching?
The construction worker.
Construction worker?
Yeah, look, what's that, right?
What is that? You tell me.
It's a excavator.
Excavator?
Yeah, it's like a
Excavator.
I know. It's not an excavator. It's a skid steer.
What?
It's a skid steer, Mommy.
I don't know.
It's a skid steer.
I don't know what it's called. I know excavator only.
It's not an excavator. It's a skid steer.
It is? Oh, you know
Yeah.
the skid steer? What's
Yeah.
that?
It's with a apple bucket.
A bucket, yes, a bucket.
Wow! There's another bucket.
Uh-huh. A bucket. Because they're fixing the driveway, right?
Look. Oh no. The bucket's broken.
That's not broken.
The bucket's broken.
They're fixing.
Whoa! Look at that. That's really, really sharp. We have the bucket. Shouldn't have put down.
Mm-hmm.
Shouldn't have put the bucket.
Kapit na silang matapos.
Shouldn't have removed the bucket.
Remove the bucket.
Yeah, the skids, you want to remove the bucket. So you want a new bucket. Look, there's a oil.
Mm-hmm.
And then to the car.
Mosquito bite.
Wow, I found the oil. This kids will help to get the oil. It's there. The face like that way. I mean, they get the oil into the car. You feel the gas when the car.
Daldal ni Padi. Sige, this is your TV for today. Watching them. Watching the driveway fixer guy.
Look, this is that.
Hmm?
This is the rowing machine.
Rowing machine.
It's not tail.
So this is our driveway now. How much we spend for this, babe?
For our driveway replacement,
Yes.
yeah, we asked the quote from different driveway fixers. Each one come up with a different price. So one guy asked $6,500 US dollars to replace the the old driveway. So he asked initially $6,500. Then I told them 6,000, is it okay? Then he told, okay, maybe can you add 200? So then finally we both agreed for $6,200. So yeah, then they were last week Monday they came and replaced the old driveway. Literally you can park 4 cars, front 2, back side 2. So totally 4 cars. I don't know the area wise, but you can imagine if you park 4 cars, how much space would be. So that much driveway they replaced it with the new concrete, and it cost around $6,200.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I like the work. So still they need to remove the wooden frames. That's
Yeah.
the one used for putting the concrete. So they'll be coming.
Yeah, because it's not yet done. So they still need to remove
Remove that,
all
frame, wooden frames.
yeah, the
That's
wooden
all.
frame.
That's all.
Yun.
Not much. You see?
So this is our driveway. We forgot how much exactly the measurement, but this is the space. Until to that side, they fix it. So keep in mind, not all the price will be the same. It depends on the area or the surface that you want to fix. And also learn how to bargain the price, because sometimes, you know, they always give you the highest price. If you don't bargain, you end up regretting, or you will get the higher price. So what we do is we ask for a lower price, but not too much, okay? But not too much, very low. Be reasonable also when you bargain the price, okay? And also don't settle with just one company. Try to get many quote as you can and compare the price, which one is the lowest, and you go for it. Don't just settle with one and you jump on the idea of getting that one company, because sometimes there's also some company that will give you a lower price. So try to get some different quote and compare. So that's it for today, and if you like this video, don't forget to like it, and if you love it, subscribe it and click that bell button so you get notified whenever we have a new video. Thank you, and see you in another vlog. Bye bye.